Have you ever experienced a moment that felt strangely familiar? Like you've lived it before, even though you know you haven't? You're talking to someone, walking into a room, or hearing a sentence, and suddenly, a powerful wave of recognition hits you. That mysterious feeling is called déjà vu, a French term meaning already seen. And it's one of the most fascinating tricks your brain can play on you. So what exactly is happening? What is déjà vu? Déjà vu isn't a memory of the future. It's not proof of past lives. And it's not a glitch in the universe. It's a memory illusion. Your brain constantly processes information through two major systems: familiarity, the feeling that something seems known, recollection, the ability to remember when and where it happened. Normally, these systems work together smoothly, but during déjà vu, they briefly fall out of sync. The brain glitch theory. Researchers believe déjà vu happens when the familiarity system activates by mistake. The part of your brain involved in recognizing familiarity, located in the temporal lobe, may misfire for a split second. When that happens, your brain sends a powerful signal that says, "This is familiar." But there's no actual memory attached to it, so your mind tries to make sense of it. And that creates the eerie sensation that you've lived the moment before. It's like your brain accidentally stamps "already experienced" on a brand new event. The processing delay theory. Another explanation suggests it's a tiny delay in how information is processed. If one pathway in your brain processes the present moment milliseconds faster than another, the second pathway may interpret that tiny delay as a memory. So instead of "happening now," your brain labels it as "already happened." In reality, it's just a split-second timing issue. Who experiences it most? Interestingly, déjà vu is most common in young adults, people who travel often, those with higher education levels. Why? Because new environments and experiences constantly challenge your brain's memory system, increasing the chance of small misfires. It's also linked to healthy brains. In fact, some scientists believe occasional déjà vu is a sign that your memory system is functioning normally.